There we are. It's time for dinner. Okay. Is this pizza and apple slices? Cool. What a great way to honor my last day being temporarily little. Yep. Mmm. 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 And now for the apple. Mmm. 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 Oh man, what a week it was. Yep, what a week it was, Valian. Wow, and I cannot believe it's over. Yep, but I am gonna be the leader for real someday. Oh heck yeah, you are, Valian. And you're gonna do great. Oh heck yeah, I am gonna be a great leader someday. And I'm gonna be the leader permanently this time. Oh heck yeah, you are. It was a lot of fun being the leader for the week. Yep. Now let's go check on the cans and bottles. Wow. Wow, it's almost full. And the bottle bag is almost full too. They're both almost full. Now let's check out the recyclables. Wow, it's almost time to take it out. Yep, and yep. And now for the trash. It's all good. Cassandra? And that's whole handmaiden's dress.
Oh, she made it. When she messed up, she...
Oh, look at her. Cassandra handmaiden dress.
You look so sweet.
You're so sweet.
You look so sweet.
Turn over on your back.
Hey, wait.
You are like Cassandra now.
Yes, you do.
In her handmaiden's dress. Sandy's gonna wear her old Rapunzel dress, and while Cassandra wears her new handmaiden dress. Good thing she is named after me, and middle named after my boyfriend. Good night, Hevel. I'm going inside of your play wall. Good night, Valian.